why construction workers still refuse to set foot on that cursed Dominican coastline. In 1999, site manager Roberto Valdez dismissed local warnings about building the luxury resort on sacred Taino burial grounds. When archaeologists discovered ancient artifacts and human remains, indigenous rights groups demanded the project stop. But Valdez pushed forward anyway, ordering his crew to keep digging. That's when the attacks began. Tools started flying through the air by themselves. Heavy machinery broke down every single day. Workers were thrown across the site by invisible hands while haunting Taino chants echoed from nowhere. The crew begged to leave, but Valdez refused to listen. On the final night, ancient war chants filled the darkness until dawn. They found Valdez impaled on traditional Taino spears that had appeared from thin air. His body was arranged in ritual formation, surrounded by symbols carved deep into the earth overnight. The resort was abandoned immediately. The land returned to indigenous communities. Even today, locals say his blood still stains the ground, and that's